are on a mod, slitting the gas pressure. It's a little bit different way than a regular gas valve. It's a smart valve, so you have to do smart things with it. You can't just turn it to the pressure, you have to let it think a little bit. So we're adjusting it here. It was up at 4. We want to get between 3.2 and 3.5. That'll be depending on our temperature rise, which depends on our duct system and our filter restrictions and our air conditioning coil restrictions, and so we've got, you know, temperature rise is around 45. So we only want 3.5 as our maximum gas pressure. So we're gonna leave it at 3.5 because our temperature rise is, again, it's about 45. So we're supposed to be between 40 and 70. And that's it. I know this is kind of a short video, but that's all there is to it. It's kind of the idea of what's going on with the mod. Daryl with Comfort Environment. Thank you very much. www.comfortenvironment.com. Don't forget to give us a try.